Hi.
Hi.
Now we're gonna have our camp. Let's find a place that's good for our tent.
Okay. Oh, I think there's a nice spot over there.
Okay, let's go.
Wow, I think this is a good spot for our tent. This is what's then the real camping. It's the real camping.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's start. Oh, finally we did it. We're done. Oh, I'm so tired.
Hungry.
Let's cook. Oh, there's some sticks. Let's get it.
Sticks.
Let's put it there. Okay, let's build some fire. Let's put more stick there so it will become a much bigger fire. Now let's make the ingredients. Okay guys, so we will make our breakfast. So this is the ingredients.
Ingredients is a bowl, spoon, flour, milk, and water.
Now we will show you how to make a bread. First, you need to get the spoon and the bowl. Next, you need to put flour on the bowl. Next, you need to put milk. Next, you need to mix it. Next, you need to apply more milk. Next, you need to apply a little bit water, little by little. You need to repeat the following steps until the flour, milk, and water is perfectly mixed. Okay, now it is perfectly mixed. Now you just need to get a bamboo stick and use your spoon to mold it in the bamboo. Okay, now it's time to bake it. Now let's bake it in the fire. Of course we need to cook it in the fire. Mine will fall down. Wow, it's done. Let's try to taste it first. Yummy. I'm so full. It's so delicious, the bread.
Go for hiking.
Oh, okay, let's enjoy the view. I'm so tired. The hiking makes me super tired.
And it makes me also hungry.
Oh yeah, what time is it? Oh, I think it's 12 o'clock.
Let's cook our lunch.
Okay, let's cook our lunch. Next, we are gonna make our lunch. So, we will make a hot dog. The ingredients are hot dog bread. This is a hot dog. And you also need some sausage. And you also need a tomato ketchup if you want some topping for your hot dog. You need some paper plates to put the hot dog. First, you need to use your wet tissue. You need to make sure that your hands is clean so you can cook a healthy food.
First, you need to open the sausage.
You need to use scissors. You need to fold it so you can put the sausage in the middle. Next, put your sausage. You can add some tomato ketchup if you want. Do you want tomato ketchup?
Yes. How about you?
No thanks. Now it's time for you to eat it. Don't forget to pray before you eat. Next, you can eat it. Wow, it's so delicious. Oh, I'm so full. I think if we walk around and enjoy the view, we will not be full anymore. Let's clean up first. Wow, there are so many trees. I'm so tired. I think it's almost nighttime. What time is this? Oh, it's almost dinner. Let's go to our tent and cook some food. Now we will make our dinner. So we will make a marshmallow and chocolate milk. So the first thing you need is a marshmallow. You need milk, a chocolate milk, and you just need to put the milk inside the cup or the glasses. Next, you need to get 2 paper plates again. You need to open the marshmallow. You need to take out the marshmallow. You need to cut it into half so you can put it in your plate. Now it's time for you to eat. Let's eat our dinner. Oh, let's pray before we eat. It tastes so delicious. Oh, let's drink. Oh, I'm so full. How about we just have a night worship outside?
Let's go.
Okay, let's clean this up first. Yay! Finally, we did our camping already. Let's sing. What song will we sing? He's able, he's able. I know he's able. I know my Lord is able to carry me through. Let's go sleep.